All right, girls, I've got a new product. I have been doing some research because I recently stumbled upon some information about regular razors that have that like slimy thing to help slide and glide without cutting you when you're shaving. And that product has toxins, forever toxins in it. And obviously, our skin is our biggest organ. So we really want to protect that. And I found this company, Hanni, and I haven't tried it yet, but I wanted to unbox it with you. So I haven't taken anything out yet. You get a little pamphlet of what seems just to be an overview of the products that are in here. And then the back has a manual of how to use it. I did watch on YouTube and it was talking about how the razor is a little bit different. You have to glide it and it's at an angle. So I'll show you guys. There's super cute colors and packaging. I also loved that this comes with a holder. So we always have an issue. I'm sure you guys have the same as my issue. We can't find a place of where to put this razor that it doesn't fall a million times into the shower. So this is a perfect holder, and this is a stainless steel, it's at least metal. It's heavy. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. Comes with a silicone removable lid. And then the bottom part, when you twist it, it opens. And the reason why this opens is because you have blades. Now, this founder has thought of everything. So this little box is supposed to be where you collect your blades when you're done with them, and then you can recycle them. So it's like good for you, good for the earth. You know what I mean? Okay, now in your razor box, you're going to get your blade right here. I was told it's 5 blades. I was told by YouTube how to put this in. Basically, you take one out. You have to be super careful because obviously it's a blade, but you're supposed to hold it on its 2 edges here. Okay, so I'm going to grab it and just drop it in. There it is. And then you close it. And then you would be able to glide on the sides, and that's how you would shave. Okay, before you shave, you're supposed to use this cream, and it's also not like a foamy cream. It's natural and goes on more like a thick lotion. Let me try it. I'll tell you guys how it feels. It's like a balm, it looks like. Okay, it smells nice. Ooh, it feels like a chapstick for your skin. So it's not going to be a foamy situation, but it smells great. And then here's my stand, right, for my shower. Here's my recycling bin. And then I have 4 extra blades also for later. And then also silicone lid for travel. Genius. Okay, so I will tell you guys how this works, but I'm so excited. How cute is all of this also? Because you want to do the right thing, but like aesthetic, you know, it's important. So Hanni, I will link them below.